So this one is too interesting to not share. Delaware is actually thinking about letting AI run a company, not help run it, but actually run it. Delaware is where a lot of corporate America lives. A lot of big US companies are incorporated there. And when Delaware changes its entity laws, the whole country tends to feel it. There's now a draft proposal in Delaware for something called an artificial intelligence company, an AIC. It would be a real legal entity. And here's the wild part about it: its day to day affairs would actually be managed by an AI agent, not a CEO using AI. The AI is the actual management. And the entity could own property, sign contracts, sue and be sued, all in its own name with limited liability, just like a regular company. Now, before we go too crazy, this is a proposal, it's not law. And the draft is actually more careful, I guess, than the headlines I'm seeing. They want to test it in a regulatory sandbox, a limited trial run of about 2.5 years, with a small number of these companies under state supervision. And there are guardrails. Every AIC would still need a human or corporate member keeping it funded. It would also have to keep a log of everything the AI agent does, which is just good governance in general. And it would have to tell everyone it deals with upfront, you are doing business with a test entity. Super interesting though, because our entire system of corporate accountability is built on one assumption that somewhere there's a person responsible, director, an officer, someone to hold accountable when things go wrong, right? That might not be a hypothetical anymore in the future. Again, it's a draft bill, but we're also talking about the most important corporate law state in America. So tell me, would you sign a contract with a company run by an AI? Genuinely curious about that. Tell me below and follow along because we're going to get more and more into this sort of thing.